What is the lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of two or more numbers. A multiple is a number you get when we multiply one number by another number. Let's look at some examples. What are the first three multiples of 2? 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So the first three multiples of 2 are 2, 4, and 6. Now, let's try to find the lowest common multiple of some examples. What's the lowest common multiple of 9 and 24? To find the lowest common multiple, just do these few steps. First, find the prime factors of the two numbers. 9 is equal to 3 times 3. 24 is equal to 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Second, we find the highest power of each prime number. First, the factor 3. 3 appeared in 9 and 24, but it appeared twice in 9, so the highest power of 3 is 2. The factor 2 appears 3 times in 24 and 0 times in 9, so the highest power of 2 is 3. Last step is to multiply each prime factor by itself by the number of times equal to its highest power. For example, since the highest number of 3 is 2, you multiply 3 by itself twice, then multiply the product together. When you multiply the highest power of each prime factor, 3 squared, or 3 times 3, and 2 cubed, or 2 times 2 times 2 together, you get 72. So the lowest common multiple of 9 and 24 is 72. Let's try another example. What's the lowest common multiple of 10, 16, and 35? First, find the prime factors of each number. 10 is equal to 2 times 5. 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 35 is equal to 5 times 7. Second, we find the highest power of each prime factor. Let's look at the prime factor 2. 2 is a factor in both 10 and 16, but it appears 4 times in 16, so the highest power of 2 is 4. Next, we look at the prime factor 5. 5 is a factor in 10 and 35, and it appears once in both numbers, so the highest power of 5 is 1. Lastly, we look at the prime factor 7. 7 is a factor in only 35, and it appears only once, so the highest power of 7 is 1. Let's multiply each prime factor by itself by the number of times equal to its highest power. The highest power of 2 is 4, so multiply 2 by itself 4 times. The highest power of 5 is 1, so multiply 5 once. The highest power of 7 is 1, so multiply 7 once. And we get 560, so the lowest common multiple of 10, 16, and 35 is 560. We hope you learned more about the lowest common multiple from this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.